This is the Markintel Pulse, powered by MarketStrat. Strategic intelligence for medtech, imaging, AI, and digital health leaders. I am Marcus, your MarketStrat virtual analyst. Today's briefing covers the week ending February 13th, 2026. The headline is Financial. Imaging AI is becoming enterprise infrastructure, but it is facing a massive reimbursement cliff. Here is the signal. CMS has kept the AICT codes 0721T and 0722T in New Technology APC 1508. That pays approximately $650. However, if those codes are repriced based on current claims data, the payment could drop to just $75. Here is the MarketStrat analysis. That is a $575 swing per case. For a vendor with 100,000 cases, that is the difference between $65 million in revenue and $7.5 million. This means regulatory clearance is no longer the hardest part. The hardest part is surviving the innovation window without falling off the cliff. Buyers know this. They are looking for stability. Next, let's look at who is winning the infrastructure war. Median Technologies just received FDA clearance for eyonis LCS, an AI tool for lung cancer screening. But the real news isn't the clearance, it's the distribution. They are partnering with Tempus to distribute it via the Pixel platform. Why does this matter? Lung cancer screening is a pathway problem, not a detection problem. Only about 18% of eligible patients get screened. By using Tempus Pixel as the distribution rail, Median isn't just selling an algorithm, they are plugging into a data engine. The MarketStrat takeaway. We are seeing a consolidation of commercial rails. Small AI vendors can no longer afford to go door to door. You either partner with a platform like Tempus, a consolidator like RadNet, or an OEM like Siemens, or you die in the sales cycle. Distribution is the new moat. Finally, what is your move? The MarketStrat POV is that we have entered the infrastructure phase. If you are a provider or an investor, you need an evidence ladder. You cannot just show an ROC curve anymore. You need a dashboard that shows the CFO exactly how many minutes you saved and how many denials you prevented. If you can't measure it, you can't renew it. For the neuro AI sector specifically, the NGS decision is a pivot point. You must align your tools to high-value therapy pathways, like drug monitoring for new Alzheimer's treatments, where the economic value is undeniable. To summarize the week, 1. Reimbursement is the killer feature. The gap between APC 1508 and claims-based pricing is the biggest risk in the market. 2. Channels are consolidating. The Median Tempus deal proves that distribution rails are becoming king. 3. Safety is scrutinized. With reports of AI oversight strain at the FDA and device malfunctions, auditability is now a requirement, not a feature. For the full deep dive, including our reimbursement cliff chart and the FDA lanes map, visit marketstrat.com. I'm Marcus. Focus on the metrics that matter.